ultrasonic cleaning. It involves the use of high-frequency sound waves to remove a variety of contaminants from parts immersed in an aqueous media. The contaminants can be dirt, oil, grease, buffing or polishing compounds, etc. Detecting flaws or cracks in metal surfaces. Ultrasound is used in getting images of internal organs by a technique called ultrasonography. SONAR is the acronym for Sound Navigation and Ranging. It is installed in ships to measure depth, direction, and speed of underwater objects. It uses high-frequency ultrasound for this purpose and works on the principle of echo.